Hey guys, PDP Cycling. Today I just received my frame, an OnONE 456 Evo, and it's quite a very long process. Here's arrived, and I'm gonna do the unboxing. So let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Take this frame. It's OnONE 456 Evo, 26-inch wheel, and this thing is 16-inch. This is the right side for me because my Voodoo Hoodoo is actually 18-inch, which is like slightly large for me. That's how I feel when I ride it, because my problem with my Voodoo is that when I do some jumping, I always fight it. The saddle always hit my bum. Alright guys, I just received my fork. It's a Fox Talas 140mm travel. Just received it from UPS. Actually, there's a little bit of complication because this thing actually is supposed to send it to me to my house. Yeah, finally. Right, now it's time. So let's see with the frame. So yeah, when I put it in, I don't even have to use much space there at all. And this one I got it for £14, 15 actually, from Chain Reaction Cycle. It's the best cheap shock pump, let's call that. So far so good. So I'm gonna put in there. There's a activation dial, so you don't have to worry about when you put in an air just leak, just like a normal Fox Ford rock shock, you know. To adjust the pressure, fine tuning, and then I will activate it. So let's see how much air they put in. So the air was 80 psi, 90 psi. My weight is 60 kilograms. So I will just make sure it's just 60. Now it's about 65 maybe. I will just leave it about 65. And let's see how it's gonna be. For the rebound, I put at the middle position, so it's about 6-7 clicks from the all the way from clockwise. I put it back like 7 clicks maybe. I counted, it was about 14-15 clicks because I have no idea what it's gonna be, so I will just make it like a middle position. Okay, it seems like the handlebars, they're not very good position, but let's try it. Alright.